What if I told you some camping gadgets are so smart? They feel almost futuristic. From rooftop tents that turn your car into a mobile home, to gadgets that create electricity from fire, these camping tools completely change the outdoor experience. Number 12. BioLite CampStove 2 Plus. When most people think about camping stoves, they imagine bulky gas burners that only do one thing: cook food. But the BioLite CampStove 2 Plus is completely different. This gadget turns fire into electricity while you cook, making it one of the smartest camping tools you can bring outdoors. The stove uses small sticks, twigs, pine cones, and natural fuel you can find around your campsite. As the fire burns, built-in thermoelectric technology converts heat into usable electricity. That means you can actually charge your phone, flashlight, GPS device, or camera while preparing dinner in the middle of nowhere. What makes this product so popular on YouTube is the visual experience. People love watching the small fan system boost the flames and create a powerful smokeless burn. It feels futuristic while still using simple natural materials. Campers also love the LED dashboard that shows fire strength, battery level, and fan speed in real time. Number 11. Goal Zero Yeti Portable Power Station Camping has changed a lot over the years. Today, many campers bring cameras, drones, phones, portable fridges, lights, and even laptops into the wilderness. That's why portable power stations have become one of the biggest outdoor trends. And the Goal Zero Yeti is one of the most recognized names in the game. This device is basically a giant rechargeable battery designed for outdoor adventures. Depending on the model, it can power everything from smartphones to mini coolers and camping lights for days. Some campers even use it for outdoor movie nights or remote work setups deep in nature. One reason this gadget dominates YouTube camping videos is because people love building full off-grid campsites around it. You'll constantly see creators pairing the Yeti with portable solar panels to create endless renewable power while camping. Number 10. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. Water is one of the most important parts of survival, and the LifeStraw became famous because it solved a massive problem with one incredibly simple idea. This small lightweight device allows you to drink directly from rivers, lakes, streams, and other natural water sources by filtering out dangerous bacteria and parasites. Instead of carrying heavy water bottles everywhere, hikers can safely drink from nature itself. The reason this product exploded online is because the demonstrations are so satisfying to watch. You'll often see YouTubers taking muddy or questionable water from a stream and drinking it safely through the filter seconds later. For backpackers and survival campers, this gadget is a game changer because it saves space and reduces weight dramatically. Number 9. Rooftop Tent by iKamper. Traditional camping tents can be frustrating. Wet ground, uneven surfaces, bugs, and complicated setup processes ruin the experience for many beginners. That's exactly why rooftop tents became such a huge trend in outdoor adventure culture. And when it comes to rooftop camping, iKamper is one of the most talked about brands on YouTube. Instead of sleeping on the ground, these tents mount directly onto the roof of your vehicle. Within minutes, the tent folds open into a full sleeping space, elevated above the dirt, mud, rocks, and insects below. What makes rooftop tents so addictive for campers is the convenience. You can pull into a scenic location, unfold the tent, and instantly have a comfortable sleeping setup with amazing elevated views. Number 8. Garmin inReach Mini 2. Getting lost in the wilderness is one of the biggest fears for campers and hikers, especially in areas with no phone signal. That's why the Garmin inReach Mini 2 has become one of the most trusted gadgets for outdoor adventures. This tiny device is much more than a GPS tracker. It allows you to send and receive messages using satellite communication, even when you're completely off-grid with zero cell service. That means you can stay connected during remote camping trips deep in mountains, forests, or deserts. The feature that really made this gadget famous is the emergency SOS system. If something goes wrong, users can send a distress signal directly through the satellite network to emergency response teams. For solo campers and long-distance hikers, that extra layer of safety is incredibly important. Number 7. Helinox Chair. 1. After a long day of hiking, setting up camp, and exploring outdoors, one thing suddenly becomes very important: comfort. That's where the Helinox Chair 1 comes in. At first glance, it may look like just another camping chair, but anyone who has used one understands why it became so popular in the outdoor community. Unlike bulky folding chairs, this ultralight chair packs down into a compact carrying case, small enough to fit inside a backpack. And yet, once assembled, it feels surprisingly sturdy and comfortable. Campers love this product because it solves one annoying camping problem most people ignore until it's too late: having nowhere comfortable to sit around camp. Sitting on rocks or logs sounds fine in theory, but after a few hours, your back definitely disagrees. Number 6. Dometic Portable Fridge. Freezer coolers filled with melting ice have frustrated campers for decades. Food gets soggy, drinks become watery, and eventually everything turns into a giant mess. That's exactly why portable fridge freezers became such a huge camping trend, and Dometic is one of the biggest names leading that movement. Unlike traditional coolers, these portable units actually refrigerate or freeze your food using electric cooling systems. That means no ice is needed at all. Your drinks stay cold, your food stays fresh, and you don't have to constantly buy bags of ice during road trips. This gadget completely changed car camping and overlanding culture. On YouTube, you'll constantly see campers building full outdoor kitchen setups around portable fridge systems. Number 5. Grail GeoPress Water Purifier. The Grail GeoPress looks simple at first, but it's one of the smartest water purification systems ever made for campers and travelers. Instead of drinking through a straw filter like the LifeStraw, the GeoPress works more like a French press coffee maker. You simply fill the outer container with water from a river, lake, or stream, then press the filter down firmly. Within seconds, you get clean, purified drinking water ready to use. What makes this gadget stand out is how powerful the filtration system is. It removes viruses, bacteria, parasites, chemicals, and even microplastics from questionable water sources. That's why adventure YouTubers love using it during survival trips and international travel videos. Watching someone scoop dirty river water and transform it into safe drinking water in seconds always grabs attention. Number 4. Jackery Solar Generator. When it comes to modern camping gadgets, solar generators have completely changed the game, and Jackery is one of the biggest names people trust outdoors. This device basically gives campers portable electricity anywhere they go. You can charge phones, drones, cameras, laptops, lights, portable fans, cooking gear, and even small appliances while camping deep in nature. What makes Jackery products so popular on YouTube is the combination of simplicity and convenience. You'll constantly see campers unfolding solar panels beside lakes, mountains, or deserts, while powering entire campsites silently. Unlike traditional fuel generators, there's no loud engine noise or gasoline smell ruining the peaceful outdoor atmosphere. Everything runs quietly through rechargeable battery power and solar energy. Number 3. Nemo Stargaze Recliner Chair. Most camping chairs are designed for simple sitting. The Nemo Stargaze Recliner does something completely different. This chair allows you to lean back and gently swing while looking up at the sky. It almost feels like a floating hammock mixed with a luxury recliner. And honestly, once people try it, they immediately understand why it became so popular online. The suspended design creates an incredibly relaxing experience around campfires, lakesides, beaches, and mountain campsites. YouTube campers especially love filming with this chair because it creates those cinematic outdoor moments viewers love watching. Instead of sitting stiffly after a long hike, you can fully recline and stare at the stars comfortably for hours. Number 2. GoPro Hero Action Camera. Every great camping trip creates memories people want to keep forever. That's exactly why action cameras became essential outdoor gear, and the GoPro Hero remains one of the most recognizable gadgets in adventure culture. These cameras are designed specifically for rough outdoor environments: rain, snow, mud, rivers, mountain biking, hiking, kayaking. GoPros are built to survive conditions that would destroy normal cameras or phones. The biggest reason they dominate YouTube is obvious. They create amazing footage. Whether someone is hiking through forests, climbing mountains, setting up camp during storms, or cooking beside a lake at sunrise, GoPro cameras make viewers feel like they're part of the adventure. Number 1. SkyCamp Mini Rooftop Tent by iKamper. Taking the number 1 spot is another product from iKamper, and honestly, it deserves it. The SkyCamp Mini Rooftop Tent became one of the most viral camping products on YouTube because it combines comfort, speed, and adventure better than almost anything else in outdoor camping. This rooftop tent unfolds in minutes and instantly transforms an ordinary vehicle into a full adventure setup. Unlike traditional ground tents, you sleep elevated above mud, rocks, bugs, and uneven terrain. That alone makes camping dramatically more comfortable. But what really made the SkyCamp Mini explode online is the lifestyle attached to it. YouTube creators use these tents in mountain overlanding trips, desert adventures, snow camping, beach road trips, and remote forest campsites. The visuals always look incredible.